Hello and welcome to Clive's Corner. Today in this short video, I'm going to show you how to make use of the unique formula to build dynamic reports. So imagine you have a report which you want to prepare every month and you get data for the salespeople and you just paste it on your webbook and you want to be able to build this particular graph. So I have simple data here. So for example, come the following day of the month or the following month, I can just paste the data. I get the data, I paste it here at the bottom, and it automatically updates here. But the challenge which I have with this one is that if I have a new salesperson in month 2, for example, if I have a new salesperson, call him Andrew in month 2, and he sold 15 units, and this is the total sales. So you can see here he is not coming up. So what I want to be able to do is to add automatically Andrew here at the bottom and be able to have his sales units here. Like I'm making use of some if here to just get whatever the total for that new salesperson will be. Okay, so how can we do that? So we can make use of the unique formula. So let me just delete this part. So the unique formula is simple. It's equals unique. Then let me just open up this table to help me. Okay, the array, this is basically the array where your data is, which you want to get unique values from. So in this case, salesperson, I want to get from salesperson. So I just use this. Then yeah, it's asking me, is it by column, is it by row? So I will just leave it blank. By default, it is just by row. If I say by column true, it means I also need to get the unique values going this side. But I just want for this for the rows. Then these other ones, you don't need to put anything in there. Then you say, okay. So you can see automatically now I have all the list of unique numbers. You can see here, it's all linked to, when I double click here, it's all linked. You can see this line here. It's all linked to my original cell here. And the formula, you can see, I cannot edit the formula here because it shows that there's no formula, but it's in here. So come next month, I just paste my data for the following month. Then I just change this to 3. And let's say in this particular month, we have a new salesperson named Thomas. So look, the moment I add Thomas here, he automatically gets added also here at the bottom here. Then I put, this is for month 3, and he did 9 units. So you can see his graph is also coming up as a new guy here. And if I have maybe 2, maybe I also have that. You can see he's also coming here and he has 8 units. You can see he's also coming here. So this is the unique formula. Yeah, you can use the new unique formula. If you have Office 365, you can use it.